with the flamethrower.
You need to ride home, Daniel?
All right. We're getting ready with more Class A and B trucks. We still have Class C to go. I think we'll get another show or two on the Nightmare and American Thunder yet tonight, back to back, and the tire peeling burnout competition. It's all tonight. Tomorrow, the Mud Bogs.